Have you ever wondered why some small businesses suddenly explode while others struggle to survive? Many entrepreneurs ask the same question and feel confused about where to invest their time and money. The truth is, today's biggest opportunities are not in broad markets, but in hyper-niche industries where demand is growing fast, yet competition is still low. If you focus on the right hyper-niche, you can build a profitable business with massive potential. In this video, we are sharing 20 hyper-niche business ideas with massive potential. Number 1, personalized 3D printed prosthetics tailored for children in developing countries with low-cost accessibility. Number 2, subscription-based indoor farming kits designed for urban apartments to grow organic vegetables year-round. Number 3, AI-powered resume optimization service specifically for remote tech job seekers worldwide. Number 4, customizable eco-friendly pet coffins and urns for sustainable memorial services. Number 5, online language learning platforms exclusively for endangered indigenous dialect preservation and teaching. Number 6, smart wearable devices designed for elderly fall detection with instant family notification. Number 7, niche skincare products created specifically for high-altitude travelers facing extreme climates. Number 8, specialized vegan protein powders made exclusively from water lentils for fitness enthusiasts. Number 9, drone-based crop monitoring solutions designed for small-scale organic farms globally. Number 10, tailored digital therapy sessions for postpartum mothers dealing with anxiety and depression. Number 11, customized ergonomic furniture for gamers to prevent long-term spinal and posture issues. Number 12, subscription boxes offering global rare spices with recipes for experimental home chefs. Number 13, AI-driven tutoring platforms focusing only on math problem solving for struggling high schoolers. Number 14, rental platforms for designer maternity wear targeting stylish mothers to be internationally. Number 15, solar-powered cold storage units built for rural farmers to reduce food spoilage. Number 16, online platforms offering pet-friendly travel planning with certified hotels and transport. Number 17, niche online marketplace for handmade eco-jewelry crafted from recycled ocean plastics. Number 18, AI chatbots customized only for real estate customer service automation. Number 19, smart kitchen appliances designed for visually impaired individuals cooking independently. And number 20, wellness retreats offering digital detox packages exclusively for corporate executives worldwide. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.